can opt in or out of YouTube emails. You can opt in to receive emails about your YouTube activity, general updates and announcements, or personalized tips for your YouTube channel in your account notification settings. So let's get started. First, sign into YouTube. In the top right, click on your photo and select the gear icon to go to YouTube settings. In the left-hand menu, click Notifications. Then you have two options: to receive emails about your YouTube activity, except emails you unsubscribe from, or only receive required service announcement emails. Under I'd like to receive email updates from YouTube about, select the boxes to get information about, such as general updates, announcements, and videos, updates, announcements, and personalized tips about your YouTube channel. And down below, you can select whether you want to receive emails when someone subscribes to your channel, a summary of latest activities on your subscriptions, etc. How to turn off emails from YouTube. To turn off an email notification, just click the unsubscribe link at the bottom of the email you received in your inbox. You can also choose to unsubscribe from certain types of email or all emails from YouTube. To unsubscribe from certain types of email from YouTube, under I'd like to receive email updates from YouTube about, uncheck the boxes for the types of email updates you want to stop getting. To unsubscribe from all emails from YouTube, select Only Send Me Required Service Announcement Emails. Down below, you can select whether you want to get notifications about activity on your videos or channel, activity on your comments, replies to your comments, or activity on other channels. Here under Subscriptions, you can select to be notified via push and email, push only, email only, or none. You will always get notifications you turn on for individual channels. To manage your subscriptions, click Manage All Subscriptions, and that will take you to all YouTube channels you are subscribed to. Now you can click on this bell icon and then select to receive all notifications for this channel. Once you're done, click Save. Feel free to leave me a feedback in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.